Hey YouTubers, finally cooking time. I meant to cook this in the UP, but that part of the trip didn't happen, so this is in the wind in North Dakota. Hey YouTubers, there's my London broil. I'm gonna put some Mamacita's barbecue marinade on it. I'm gonna drown it pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna let it soak in there for about a half an hour. I'm gonna get it all soaked in. I made a foil pack with potatoes. Usually I show you the whole process, but if you've watched enough, it's pretty simple. Just a foil pack. Alright, so it was really tough to find a spot without wind in North Dakota. So I got it at the corner of the RV. See if we can get this foil pack on. Here we go. I'll let that go for a bit. Alright, I'm having a difficult time in the wind again, but I am gonna juice this up. Here goes to London. London broils really can be awesome. I'm gonna share the secret again on how to cook them right. Alright, that tastes good. 3 minutes. I'm trying. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, I'm only able to get up to about 300 degrees. Okay, 3 more minutes. Alright, normally I would shut the grill off after this second flip and do indirect for 3 minutes, but the grill's struggling in this wind, so I'm gonna give it a minute this way. Actually a minute and a half, and then I'm gonna flip it the other way and then give it 2 minutes on each side indirect. Hopefully that'll do it. We'll see. GoPro. Let go. Okay, another minute and a half. Now I'm gonna turn the grill off. I'm gonna flip it again for 2 minutes. GoPro, stop recording. I turned the grill off, and these are still sizzling in there. So we'll see how they are. All right. So my basic secret is a good marinade as long as you can. It'll turn out nice and juicy. Then I cook it 3 minutes on the grill on each side, flipping in between. Then I turn the grill off and I cook it indirect for another 3 minutes. That's my normal. Like I said in this video, the wind was giving me tricks, so I had to play with it a bit. Alright, now see this terrible foil pack I made. If I can get these potatoes cooked enough. Alright, cut this in half. A little past medium. I guess it was doing better than I thought. Okay, this is this is more meat than I've been eating in a long time. I've been eating a lot of vegan stuff and veggie stuff from health. So with the wind I struggled with sound, and with the brightness I struggled with exposure on this video, but trust me, this is a good London broil. So if all is right in the world, this better be 2 meals. I'm gonna go out and get some potatoes. Alright, I'll be back. So if you follow those simple rules, a London broil is low cost and it will come out juicy and tender. It really does. Alright, back to meat and potatoes. Potatoes. Meat came out a little bit more rare than I first thought. Flyover. No keek, this is all mine. Okay, we're trying. Still, see, it's still juicy. And no keek, this is mine. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. If you notice something, there was no sriracha in this one. Oh, man, that's good. Onion, potato. See how they came out. They're good. I cut them small enough that they're cooked all the way through, but they didn't brown too well. But they taste fine. Alright, YouTubers, get out there on your own. Get camping, eat whatever it is you like. This is what I like, so this is what I'm eating today. And you'll have a great and wonderful day. See, it's still juicy. If you cook a London properly, they're really, really good. Even in 30-mile-an-hour winds, where you still need your air conditioning. Alright, now, great and wonderful day.